why a home inspection matters.
Now, in cities like Winnipeg, Calgary, Saskatoon, and other cities in the States, there are a lot of older communities. And these older homes from 1910 to 1940s to 1970s, even 1990s, weren't built properly and up to code as they are now. Electrical issues, foundation type, asbestos. It's always important to have these things checked out to make sure that when you move into your new home, there aren't any major issues. And that is why a home inspection is important. Now, home inspectors do their licensing, they do their practicum, they pay their dues in order to get licensed and inspect that home. Inspections can cost up to $400 to up to $1,200 depending on what type of property. These inspectors will go through the home or the property thoroughly for a few hours, going through every single aspect of that home, making sure, giving you the peace of mind in order to make this purchase. Not only that, they even send you a report 24 hours after the inspection that you can keep a copy of and have it for one, peace of mind, and two, having it for when you're ready to sell your home again. This is a great selling feature, knowing and showing potential buyers that you had a property inspection done when you first purchased the home. So my best advice is don't cheap out. Don't go with the cheap home inspector. Go with the one with the best reputation, the one with the most experience, and the one that's gonna definitely teach you about homes and buildings and making sure that purchase is right for you. And that's the reason why you should hire a home inspector.